Guys, we need to taste it now. Uh, on the top of my grill, flipping grill. So, what is the taste, guys? So, after cooking the rice and the sweet corn, and then the barbecue, we wanna taste the first set of our barbecue grill. Okay, guys, this is our sweet corn. It's almost done, and our rice, it's done. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so after that, we take the other one on the top to taste it, our barbecue grill. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, so chili sauce. Okay, taste this. Wow. Then we put here amazing. Now we need the rice. We need the rice. This is my snack at 3 p.m. for today with my pork grill, pork grill barbecue. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, guys, so this is our lunch for today. How to save your money? How to save your money? Mm, if you want to grill barbecue on your backyard to save your money, if you have extra woods coming from the branches of the trees. So this is the advice to you, just to save your money. Instead, you use a propane or buy in 7-Eleven of foods to make a barbecue or cooking a rice or sweet corn. I will advise to you, if you're making a barbecue or cooking rice or boiling water or using cooking a sweet corn for your snacks, supper, breakfast, and lunch. So you can spare time instead of using your gas stove or propane gas in your grills, and you're using your power for your electric stove, or buy a propane for your electric stove or electric or any etc etc. So my advice to you to save your money with amazing tips. Use your goods if your branches, any branches or goods coming from the trees, so you can save your money. Okay, guys, so just subscribe and click the notification bell, like, comments, and share. And click the notification bell for upcoming videos this week. And that's it for now. So see you guys. Hope you will like this vlog and videos for this week. How to cook and save your money in your grill at the backyard. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, see you guys. See, it's done. Only flipping. See, a little bit fire at the bottom. And the sweet corn is done also. So only from here, only our vlogs for today. So okay, see you again. And don't forget, subscribe and click the notification bell for our new upcoming videos to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys.